In this brand new video, you will now discover dictionary in Python. Please, do not forget to smash that like button, for the YouTube algorithm, since it does really help supporting us, and providing new free content, once a week. Are you interested to be part of this community? All the links are in the description below. Now, let's play this video. Of course, dictionary elements must be accessible, somehow. If you do not get them by index, then how would you get them? While indexing is used with other container types to access values, dictionary use keys. Values can be retrieved from a dictionary by specifying its corresponding key, in square brackets. Here is an example that prints the value of the key name. Nonetheless, if you refer to a key that is not in the dictionary, you will get an exception. To avoid such exception, you can use the special dictionary get method. The difference while using get is that it returns none instead of key error if the key is not found, and returns the value associated to its key if key is in the dictionary. If you liked this video, please do not forget to give a thumb up and subscribe our channel. Digital Academy, learn free. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.